How to find Snapchat email by username. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and then go to your quick add option over here. As you tap on quick add, now just search for any of the person that you want to find the email of. So I'm just gonna search for Smagaju over here. And here you can see different options, so just go for any of the option over here. And as you tap on that, here you can see there's no option to see the email, right? So tap on the three dotted lines over here and see there's no option over here. So let's check on the people who I'm friends with. So I'm going to go to the chat option and I'm going to select one of my friends over here. So tap on your profile, and then here as you scroll down, you'll not be able to see their email ID as well. So tap on the three dotted lines and here you can see there's no option of finding their email via Snapchat username. So it means that we cannot find the Snapchat email by username and we have to personally ask for their email ID with them. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.